What's up everybody, welcome back to the Art of Crypto, the birthplace of absolutely legendary gains. In this video, let us take an updated look on Matic, and considering the fact that Matic has been doing so popularly on my channel, I might just do, way more regular updates on Matic, and so let's discuss this. So if you remember, if you watched that video that I posted yesterday, I sort of called for a double bottom formation at this level right here at 1.33. At the moment, it does seem like we are getting it, and if we just take a look at Market Cipher, I mean, it's not looking pretty, right? Money flow is like thick in the red, and is this going to be the turning point? Who knows? But at the moment, I'm definitely going to look for a double bottom at this level, and if we happen to get it, this is going to be absolutely brilliant, and you guys can enter at either here or here. But if there is one thing that I want you to keep in mind, right, it's the fact that if I just bring up BTC shorts, or rather BTC USD short, yeah, that's the one from Bitfinex. You want to take a look at this, right? Because it's really important that you know this. So literally since 2017, we have not been at we've pretty much not been at these kinds of levels of short positions open at the same time for close to over a year right now, or maybe even 2 years. And it's not just shorts. So if I bring up BTC USDT longs, then you can see that, look at the amount of longs that are open right now. And what this basically means is that there are a lot of people taking positions in futures, right? Literally for our longs on BTC, we are at a literal all-time high. This means that potentially, if you guys know about Biden being at the G7 summit, where he's probably going to talk about Bitcoin, that is going to be like the catalyst for Bitcoin, right? For the whole crypto markets to make an extremely big move in probably the next 2 or 3 days. So if you are not in the crypto markets right now, I would like you to just sit out for about 2 days, 3 days before making your decision or making your purchases, because at the moment there is, if you remember, right, this back then, the last time that we were at these kinds of levels for longs on Bitcoin, that was prior to the COVID crash. And if you remember how badly Bitcoin took a hit during the COVID crash, then you know that what kind of move that we might expect from Bitcoin if Bitcoin starts to dump and all of these longs get liquidated. Now, granted, this is only from one exchange, and this is not every single exchange, but it doesn't change the fact that open interest is pretty much at an all-time high right now. And that means if the price goes upwards, then the shorts are going to be liquidated and Bitcoin is going to take a shoot upwards. And if Bitcoin dumps, then all of these longs are going to get liquidated and you're going to see a massive candle going to the downside. So for now, I really highly suggest that you just take it easy, especially if I go onto the Bitcoin Volatility Index, and if I just go onto the 7-day, and if I just simply draw a trend line from this low over to this low, you can see that pretty much it has reset. And what BVOL tells us is that volatility might be coming back to the market soon, and by volatility I mean a large move. So if you remember, the last time that we had this kind of a volatility spike, it was about 13th of May. And if we just go back to Bitcoin USD, 13th of May, and you can see this is exactly what happened. This big move right here happened because Bitcoin volatility has been reset. So if you're looking to get into Matic, I would actually just chill out for now, because big moves are going to happen really soon. Either that's going to bring us to the upside or the downside, we don't know yet. But if there's one thing that I can tell you, is that when Bitcoin pumps massively, altcoins tend to do nothing for a short period of time before following suit. So even whatever Bitcoin does, you're not going to be too late. But if Bitcoin dumps, then your altcoins are going to take a massive hit. In fact, if I just come on to Bitcoin dominance right now, I'm actually expecting right now we are forming a higher low, we got a higher high, and potentially this might be a higher high as well. And we could see Bitcoin dominance go back to 50. And what Bitcoin dominance basically is how many percent of the total crypto market cap is being held by Bitcoin. So you can imagine the more dominance that Bitcoin has, the harder that altcoins are going to take a hit. So if Bitcoin dumps, right, I tell you, Bitcoin dominance is going to go back up to 50 in no time. So in preparation for this, right, where should we be buying Matic, considering the fact that I'm expecting a big move? Either way, right, either Bitcoin goes up or down, Matic's going to be affected. So as I've discussed yesterday, you're going to want to look for these two levels right here to hold massively as support at the $1 level and the 64-cent level. If you can get Matic at these two levels, it is going to be absolutely brilliant. And who knows, if we dip even lower than that, then 50-cent Matic, or maybe even 45, 46-cent Matic, right, these are going to be the levels that you're going to want to keep in mind. So that is like how I would look at Matic, or just how I would look at the crypto markets in general. However, that is, that's not confirmed. And if you do want to take a little scalp on Matic, then 100% I would look for this level to hold as support, because then we would form a double bottom. And if you don't know what double bottoms are and the significance of double bottoms, I want you to go watch that Matic video that I posted yesterday. So if we do get this double bottom formation, then go for it. The take profit target levels are, as usual, going to be at about here and about here. Now, I would recommend getting out of the market quite quickly, because right now we are in the weekend, and as you know, or as you might not know, prices tend not to move very well during the weekends. And at the moment, we have that Biden G7 summit event going on right now, and you know that it is going to be dangerous being in the crypto markets right now. So these are going to be the downside targets for Matic, and where I would pick up Matic should it fall down there, and these are going to be the upside targets. Now, I would try to take profit at either one of these two levels for about a 14-15% to about a 25% gain. Not saying that this is going to play out exactly as I am, calling it, but in the event that we do get this, right, if we do get this double bottom, then yeah, look to take profit at these three levels. These are going to be the key levels. I want you to mark them down on your own chart, because I'm literally giving you the exact levels right now. And if you can't even be bothered to mark it down on your own chart, there's literally nothing more that I can do for you. And if you want the latest crypto updates, I want you to follow me at Twitter at _the_art_of_crypto. This is where I'm sharing real-time information, and you're not going to want to miss out. And if you really appreciate the fact that I'm giving you guys like these kinds of exact levels, then you are going to want to consider joining the private Discord group. Over here, I'm literally giving you the exact entries, and every single day we are killing it. No matter if the market is going through dips, we are killing it on shorts. When the market is good, we are going long. And right now, we have a lot of people in the group. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Everyone is making profits. Literally, you will make back your membership fee in less than a couple of trades. And not only that, if you pay with crypto right now, you are going to get up to 20 to 40% off if you pay with crypto. So I am only going to be opening this group up for a remaining about 80 spots, because I want to be able to dedicate focused attention to every single member, and I cannot do that if the group grows too large. So if you want to secure yourself a spot in this exclusive group, then I want you to go to the link in the description and sign up at theartofcrypto.co. And with that said, my friend, I look forward to seeing you in the Discord group, because over here you are literally getting a world-class trading education along with a bunch of highly profitable trading setups. You are not going to want to miss out on this. And as usual, my friend, take care. May the gains be with you, and peace.